Hey, business owners, feeling overwhelmed, stressed with technology and marketing and all the platforms and all the things you could do to attract clients and keep your business going and keep money coming in, right? So I took a course last year, and one of the mentors said, yeah, you want to get all your ducks in a row, but just start with one duck, right? And she sent out little ducks to all of us, and I'm a graduate U of O, so I'm a duck, basically. That's our mascot, was the Oregon Ducks. So I loved that concept, and I really embraced that idea of just start with one duck, right? So again, giving credit to Marisa Murgatroyd, that's who I heard it from, who does Live Your Message. So I want to encourage you as a business owner to work with me, because I'm really, really good at helping you wrangle your first duck, and then your next duck, and then your next duck, and then your next duck, and so forth.